Are you considering new windows for your home? Well, double hung windows might be what you need, but how do you know? So in this video, we're going to explore the benefits and drawbacks of double hung windows to help you decide if they're the perfect fit for your home. Stay tuned to learn more. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Today we're exploring double hung windows, what makes them unique, their pros and cons, and what to consider if you're thinking about installing them in your home. Double hung windows feature two movable sashes, one at the top and one at the bottom, that slide vertically. This classic design is incredibly versatile and works with a range of home styles from traditional to contemporary. Double hung windows come with several key advantages. They offer superior ventilation because both sashes are movable, allowing you to open the top sash to let warm air escape while cool air enters through the bottom. This creates excellent airflow throughout your home. Additionally, modern double hung windows feature tilt-in sashes, which make cleaning both the interior and exterior surfaces a breeze from inside your home. This is particularly beneficial for high floors as it eliminates the need for ladders or professional cleaning services to clean the outside sashes. Their versatility and aesthetic appeal also make them a popular choice, seamlessly blending with various architectural styles and enhancing your home's curb appeal. Despite their many benefits, double hung windows do have drawbacks. They are typically more expensive than single hung windows, both in terms of initial purchase and installation. Another potential issue is the longevity of the seals around the sashes. With frequent use, these seals can wear out, leading to air and moisture leaks that reduce energy efficiency and can cause condensation issues between the panes. Even the best windows need replacement eventually. If you notice drafts near your windows, it might indicate failed seals or warped frames, which can really impact your home's energy efficiency. Condensation or fogging between the panes of glass is a clear sign of seal failure, reducing insulation and increasing your energy bills. Difficulty operating the sashes smoothly could signal problems with the window's balance system or frame, posing safety risks, especially in emergencies. Regularly inspect your windows for visible damage like cracks, rotting wood, or deteriorating frames, which not only affect performance but can also lead to further home damage if not properly addressed. Choosing the right double hung windows involves several considerations. Materials such as wood offer a classic timeless look, vinyl provides affordability and low maintenance, and fiberglass combines durability with energy efficiency. Design choices include customizable options like grills, various color selections, and hardware finishes that can match your home style perfectly. Additionally, focusing on energy efficiency markers like Energy Star ratings, low U factor, and low SHGC values ensures that your windows will help reduce energy costs and improve your family's comfort. If you're ready to upgrade your windows or need help choosing the best option for your home and you live in the San Antonio area, make sure to contact Southwest Exteriors for a free consultation by following the link above and down below in the description. We're here to help you make the best choice for your home and your budget. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.